So today we are discuss about some question, important question for NILET and KVS and DSSB exam in computer science part. Okay, so first question is that print the output. Okay, that is written in C. So in C equal to 31 and print of person X C. Okay, so here person X is denoted the octal number. Okay, so 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 for this reason the answer is 1F. Okay, so printf person x is it convert decimal number to hexadecimal. Sorry, I said that is octal. So octal number, not it is octal number, it is hexadecimal number. Okay, in hexadecimal number we have to divide by 16. Okay, so from convert decimal number to oc- hexadecimal number we have to convert divided by 16. So 31, if divide 31 in 16 and again 16, then we get 1F. Which of the following routing algorithm allows more duplication of packet? So flooding is used to allow the routing algorithm more duplication of packet. So now next question is that which of the following is the benefit of having intermediate code? So for having intermediate code we have a lot of benefit, like we can make code in backend and front end independent from each other. Okay, we can run the code in backend and front end, and it also help to improve optimization. So our option is both A and B. Okay, so intermediate code, if we see java is an intermediate code. Okay, language. So repudiation is the process where the sender might later deny that he has sent the message. If sender sends some message, then he can deny. Okay, and same as receiver, if receiver send the message to the sender, that he can also deny that the receiver can send that message. So this is called repudiation. So our answer is 4. So now a software requirement specification document should avoid discussing which one of the following. Okay, in SRS, that is software requirement specification, we have some important requirement where the software required or the requirement is done by the user. So it contain the user interfaces issues, non-functional functional requirement interface with the third-party software, but it cannot be include design specification. So our answer is design specification. So now next question is that in Boolean algebra, a dot a percent plus a. So now we know that a dot a bar, that is that is 1. Okay, so 1 plus a, that is we get a as the answer. So a dot a bar equal to 0. Okay, and plus a equal to a. So this is the all the formula of Boolean algebra laws. That is, first is identity law. Identity law is we get the 1 dot a, we get a, but if we 0 plus a, also we get a. And in null law, if we multiply with anything, we get multiplication is 0, so the answer is 0. And here 1 plus a equal to 1. Adempton law, a dot a equal to a and a plus a equal to a. Inverse law, a bar equal to 0 and a plus a bar equal to 1. And commutative law, a b equal to b a. Okay, the opposite also equal. So here a plus b equal to b plus a. Associative law is a b c. So it is in the associated with the bracket. Okay, here you can see that the bracket, if we change, that is equal. And distribution law is, there have three element in distribution law. So if we divide in if this sum is divided in product POC from. You can see that A plus BC equal to A plus B and A plus C. In this way the order form. Absorption law is that here if A if multiply with A plus B, then we get A. Okay, then here we can see we get A. And De Morgan laws are break in part. Okay, so if A B bar, then we get A bar plus B bar. In same way the OR form. Okay, so this table is very important. And the question asks like that, define if it given like that A plus BC equal to A plus B and A plus C, so say that which law applicable. So they may give the option like associative law, distributive law, or absorption law, or De Morgan law. Okay, you have to choose that option from the given option. Okay, and so you have to remember this law, this all the law. Okay, so in perform Boolean algebra we also remember this all law. Now the question asks that in which phase software design is translated into source code. Okay, here obviously we know that in coding phase we are convert the design part in the coding. Okay, so here we use the answer is coding and unit testing. Okay, after coding done, we test the each and every module independently. Okay, in unit testing. Okay, in system testing we test the whole module, that is more than one module we test in system testing. So now which of the following is error detecting code? So to remove to detecting error, okay, so we use Hamming code is used to it is actually it is the code where it check the odd parity or even parity. Okay, so it check the code that if there is number of one is odd or it is even, so in this way it detect the error. So our answer is Hamming code. Now next is in which of the following page replacement algorithm it is possible for the page fault rate to increase. Okay, so this is happen in FIFO, first in first out method. If we use Biledi anomaly phenomena, it is the phenomena where if the frame increase at that time the page fault rate also increased. What is the number of comparison needed to search an element in a sorted linked list within n element in worst case? Okay, the in time complexity there have three type of cases are there. First is best case, second is average case, or third is worst case. Okay, best case is that where the time execution is mm, so little. Okay, so it is also called upper bound. Okay, so and worst case is called lower bound, and in big O is denoted the best case, and worst case is denoted by theta. Okay, so here the answer is n. Okay, so if we check the every element in linear search, if the element is not present at that time the worst case exists. Okay, and the best case is that if we find the element in first, okay, first node, then we get that element, so the best case is omega 1. So that's today for that is the last question. And please subscribe my channel and like the video for more like this.